Hi, welcome to Testing Statistical Hypotheses in Data Science with Python, where I will take you through practical lessons on testing parametrics and non-parametrics hypotheses in Python with real-world data sets. Hi, my name is Luke Zio, and I'm a professional data scientist with 12 years of experience teaching statistics at the college level with a great interest in data science analysis using Python. Testing statistical hypotheses in data science with Python teaches the student how to use parametric and non-parametric libraries in Python to test statistical hypotheses using real-world data. The course is very detailed and focuses on how to carry out the test and interpret the result. Along the way, the student learns on how to effectively use Python libraries in the process. In this course, we will cover various statistical tests. For the parametric test, we will be testing if the sample is normally distributed using Bartlett test. We will test hypotheses about means. We will test hypotheses about population proportion, about population variances. We will use pair t-test. We will test using chi-square, test of independence and goodness of fit test. We will use the ANOVA. So we will cover all these various parametric tests in detail so that you can see hands-on how they're used in Python. With respect to the non-parametric tests, we will cover various set of non-parametric tests such as Mann-Whitney-Wilcoxon. We will test using Cochran Q, Wilcoxon sign rank. We'll use Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, Friedman chi-square, and we're also going to use a scikit post-hoc test to find pair of treatment that are significantly different, using Canova, Nemehi test and scikit post-hocs. The target audience are students with at least a beginner level course using Python and with an introductory knowledge of statistics as well as testing hypotheses. The student is expected to know about parametric and non-parametric tests of hypotheses. Thank you for your interest in testing statistical hypotheses in data science with Python. I hope you are excited as I am, and if you are ready to learn more, and I invite you to sign up for the course. Just go ahead and hit the enroll button or take a test drive by using the free preview class. Thank you.